All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 525. Final destination of that train is Oakland, Jet London Square, Oakland, which is the next stop after Emeryville. SC44 Seaman Charger 2124 leads off, alongside with David Jones Stalker 8305 Mount Tampa Pius. So this is Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 525, the Oakland, Jet London Square bound. Now arriving on track 1, right in front of me. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break of 525. Alright folks, this is Amtrak 525 with a 2124 Seaman Charger leading off, my favorite charger. 2124 leads off. (8305) Mount Tampa Pius, David Jones Stalker. Alright folks, that train is going to Jet London Square, which is the next stop. Oakland Jet London Square will be terminated. This train will go back as I believe as 534. So anyways, there go that train, folks, on its way to Jet London Square. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye.